was on for Ghana MTVGH, we a quick one, warm up. I mean, it was on for say, see, a bind be a zan. Hey, your mama. Hey, your mama. They said, yeah, your mama, I may move women there. We see there as a broken heart and say, Udasa, no, sorry. I say, hey, Mahama, what's under you? It was on for. But Kaya, a month or two ago, and I John Mama organize a program be His Excellency, by the way, where a man penny here, this respect is a bone man. Organize a program be our Jubilee House Hodum. Adaya na container truck long ones ni bi esiho. John Mama see o donate Ghana donate nyama aduane other items, relief items, Emma Gaza for. When we say Gaza honum no, ntokwa be cause between Israel for and Gaza for. And see, John Mama say now donate items, relief items no. Emma Gaza for and say ombe here for their feeding and their other stuff. And yes, she ebushon for anka ya dipa. Yes sir. And you okay say, hey, say there, Charlie. Mama was say mu. She, hey, Mama Brandon Penny. They say Ghana say there. And I tell me Gaza for Diani and all the other stuff. In a boy in sim ma. Your mama say, oh, Mama, Mahani, with the wire dear. Wire dear. Ebushon for. Se si aminu ye kasa no si aminu ye kasa se si amin se si ya no so munu se tokwa bi ekoso Gonja land savannah savannah bolia be bia jo mama e free no tokwa bi koso ho na tokwa ekoso ho no e man kokko be brave ejani free sa region nemo busanfo tokwa ekoso no. Number one, your man penny John Domani Mahama. When being a new de ekasa efasa tokwane ho. I say tokwa ekoso no John Mama on tea. So tokwa ekoso woni krom no. I say on tea. Number two, and he say a bra ye di national security. Any a soldier for, any a police for. Edi tatan krofo ewo south hanum no okon ni kroma bebia ntokwa na ekoso wo no security personnel skra no ebi ni ho ebusianfo enye no kra na the saddest aspect. Can you imagine say ebusianfo under this government the saminu ye kasa no Ghana for you see omu ye refugees ewo Ivory Coast. Now, we are refugees at Ivory Coast, no. They say Ivory Coast government. We tell you, Ivory Coast government. And they pet biani, ni bucket, ni sponge. Emma Ghana for omu Ivory Coast. See, we Ghana free Savannah region. Your mama ni krumo. Ghana for omu Ghana free your mama krum, Gonja land, Bole, Bamboy, and all over. Echo Ivory Coast, no. They say Ivory Coast government. Emma Mudiani. See there, more than refugees, pata no. Ghana for Mahama. Oh, there be. Ghana for so many refugees to the extent say, a Ghanaian be dimpo, Ivory Coast government, and a pemon. Packet mpo muni scam betobi. Na sanko for nyina bebre. Majority of them no almost free president in Ikrumu. Majority of them, but almost 80% of them no almost free on paying your mama krum. Sorry, we see and Ibrahim Mahama or ska or a philanthropist. And Ibrahim Mahama or he found was some winning name. Philanthropist. Mr. Private Jet out military buying. Who clone for as I say Ivory Coast no. They are begging before eating. Mu sorry, I must say mu Oscar, multimedia nyama send Palestine for. Mu amu ekrum for. Ghana for. Stranded Ivory Coast because of conflict. Mu amu krum. Meet me use a state apparatus ye. One crop for Janico Ivory Coast no. Say AYɛka no. Ivory Coast are buying them show musu. Ivory Coast and ya sem nesia and ya my mu boni mu friend say muka venue Ghana ha anka Ivory Coast e pe de na Ghana ni. Ghana used to be the refuge. I mean, they come here and we find them food. Now it's vice versa. John Mahama, shame on you.
Elections primaries na me kɔ mini deputy regional minister and a contest here. No mo ye mema miensa deputy regional minister ne ka ho and a memi so me ka ho me ni oba ba kwa me na me dem and a me win ye mema miensa no out of the three no our regional deputy regional minister ne ka ho no mienu na be ka me ho ye adwuma ba ko amboa me ba omo fighting me make sure say me Lucy because 2020 it was so clear say it's an orphan constituency. But due to the humility and the way I'm doing constituency, with the history, my dad, my mom, my dad was one of the pharmacists. Those years, area one hospital in Shadaniwo. Until now, Ochin crossing in Nayasha, Ochin crossing chef pharmacy in Yanti, Nidin Tijani no, not ewo. It's almost a men and many na mabasa me person, but there was that love. But yeah, constituency executives, any young Crawford equity me. I make it sure say me Lucy elections. And pass me Lucy. 2024, Penny4 encouraging me Semenko. When him say vote, it was from 8,000. When him vote in 2020, 20,000 plus. What they are checking Quanta South constituency. Your vote compare 2008 until 2024. I got one of the best voters and but together pan and juma and win it 2020. 2024 the same thing. Yeah, executives be brainer. They went to run campaigning against me for no reason. Omo pesi council be musika. It's like it's just not enough. It's just not enough. It's just not enough. Obe mani pano. In the next 1 week, one man and you will feel one man last week. It's a sad situation. Honestly speaking, it's a sad situation. Now that we are in opposition, no, my brother, they see me and it's like they regret. When you look at parliament and the things that is happening in India, happy in your opposition. Because ni pay u PM na me call ya. Kame so me boa constituency no. Because even though not me nyanya ye kra no, the helper was helping. Crofon mabua community no se ne me ye boho na me ye schools ye see me lobby e won the name bebre. Bohos ensure was one of our problems. But ensure the number of water boreholes are my year or Quanta South no. When this life is over, you can do your research and see. There were just so many issues. Every day is this, every day is that. And one thing I've realized is that MPP, when you go to the constituency level, and my MPP, my politics, no sabi, bullying no dosu. Your banner, you know who sa potential be kakra. So if I tell you the kind of cry I cried, my brother. I cry sometimes as a candidate, me na dem shoot to say abofra. Because me share niema omo ye, niema amanfo ye di tia me a. Registration keke ma me ka example ma. I had my own pickup. And na ye registration akofa ye nkrofo ma be register wo bra. Party so am yen pickup. Mo pickup no yes yen fam na parliamentary can yen nyina mfa nya adwuma. Me so mo de mo mfa pickup back because me kra pickup. Na yen nyina yen mfa nya adwuma. Anje pickup me de am chairman ne nkrofo so mo use. Yeah, branded pickup, my brother. Do you know say my pickup went to pick some people for registration and a pickup no tie essay wo kwan so. Amumfa sa pickup no ma me ne enkoyi nkrofo no e wo kwan so. Embra no. Do you know these people denied me? Me say Make sure. He was for parliamentary candidate. That's what I'm saying. But agreement ne send your more how ebe bule oni ade no me mpe me wansa na me so de munkuta we. Munkuta sa pick up we. Na me de me so me cross me pick up. Pick up na se wo kwan so na me say. Me pa mo cho mo fa pick up ne mra ne enkoyi nkro 40 we no mu. Ete me pick up no tie no asay. Ni enyi nkrofo no nto we mu fa mra ne fa tie no mpo. Emra me ye tie no ni ensan fa nkwose no nkrofo we they denied me. If I tell you, Brian, yen been as a candidate, ya bra was constituency biano. That me, I want to write a book. But for the sake of the party, you know, sometimes you told them maybe actually. The bullying, the way people bully women in the constituency level, and you family I don't know. About that, it's not easy. It's a sad situation. But we have the passion and we love the party. And we know that we would die for the party. The passionate way, that is what keeps us going as individuals. Honestly speaking, yes, for me, I just want to encourage Obibia say, baby Bia Obiano, do your little best. Some past original women's organizer who never liked me from my own constituency. Can you imagine some of them were standing at a polling station telling people to vote against me? Oh, Dr. Baumia, they were standing right talking to my sister. They did not know that the lady was my sister. I swear. They did not know that the lady was my sister. So when she turned and she was like, do you know the person you are campaigning against is my sister? And you people are MPP in your camp. They were all shy. I'm telling you, what we do to ourselves, especially in that orphan constituencies, you know. I don't know the mentality of the people. They think that when you win the MP, it's like you take the whole constituency as your own and answer them. I do not understand, my brother. We need education. We need to be able to educate our people. We need to be able to invest in getting quality constituency executives. Because it's sad. It's sad. Oh, I have. Honestly, I have. I have forgiven them. Totally. I hold no grudges. I have even started calling some of them. Honestly, and some of them also saw me. Recently, we went there for a program when Dr. Bamia was coming around for the thank you tour. I was there. Some even approached me and they were greeting me. They are shy, but you know, I just embrace them. Honestly speaking, I have forgiven them. It's not easy. The kind of things I had to go through as a woman in politics in an orphan constituency is very, very sad. Honestly. Okay. Assistant Secretary was following me. And then the secretary had the position to become a DC. Instead of giving the position to the assistant secretary to work, because assistant secretary is following me and working, the secretary who has gotten DC does not like me. He doesn't see or cap point blank saying or didn't the position be man. Now I act as secretary. Yes, and the person did not. Do you know, sir, they lured this guy, guy and also became a bit peeve. Say, hey, now maybe the way to me not because of that, no. Executives way more mafia me. The person left me. The guy also left me. The assistant secretary, no, he also left me. It's just say people. I don't know how to explain it. Bese my bro, yeka se nipa papa. Bese metimi tena dem na misu te sakwala. Misu mi di yaw sa because of what I had to go through. I knelt down in fact 3 times, begging, crying and begging. The last one was when Ajia Samira eba your constituency. Obano event na yem plan no kra no omo agya bibia to me so. because they just want everything to flop. Send a bear, who so we cannot win. Send a bear support be bar. They will just ignore me. You understand? Ha. They didn't even help. Me say after our buy, me say I knelt down in front of Ajia and the executives. Everybody was there. I knelt down, crying like a baby, begging everybody with tears. He say, "Oh my, you money win." Me remfida. Ekanwa is the third time I'm kneeling down on my knees begging. Ni nyina no. Minua. Omo still inform mo kra. Almost na di me kra kochi say afedo o sa pa yeto yen fi no ai yen fi no cuz sometimes any money be wa odwen wa ya if I tell you the amount of resources need because me di go sa elections we mu almost fanko police stations no kra no so e no kra so yasem enema di de miama to de aba na bie so de akire om say executive nema me de abanie muma yemfa nko ebi mumfa amanfa nema ne panko afa ne panko he ye ne manyina
The voice, delete